Alright, hello once again from Svärdsö Nature Reserve in this beautiful nature over here. And this is actually a unofficial and spontaneous nudist beach here in the nature reserve of Svärdsö. And this over here is a bit of a closed water surface compared to just 100 meters in that direction. It is the open sea, and we have here some nice cliffs here with beautiful trees all around, and the water is completely still and steady. It is 8th of September 2024. Currently it is 2 p.m. exactly, and I am out for a beach adventure here 20 kilometers away from my home with my bicycle that you will see in a minute. We have 24 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the sea it is 21 degrees Celsius, and it's a perfect sunny day. Maybe the last hot weekend here in Sweden for the year, because next week is gonna be a bit more chillier, and seems like I'm gonna be heading only to the lakes going forward, as the sea will be a bit too cold and windy to explore. So Svärdsö is located right next to Solsidan, one of the posh neighborhoods in Stockholm, and as I mentioned, it is a beautiful nature. And this particular beach spot over here, this spontaneous nudist beach spot, I have visited last week. And just to mention also that the whole nature reserve here is actually very known by nudists, especially on the other side to the open sea. But here it is the same part actually. So let's then get going with a swim in the sea. And you can see here the mark for nature reserve right here. That is the mark, and here we have my bicycle Scott. That got me here 20 kilometers exactly from my home. Alright then, let's get going with a swim in the Baltic Sea. It looks so nice and amazing. Indeed. Look at the wonderful view. It is perfect. Indeed perfect. Okay, now ready, set, fantastic. Look at that. The water is so still, steady, and perfect nature all around. It's magnificent. Let's dive in once again and enjoy this beautiful sunny Sunday, 8th of September. And speaking of 8th of September, it is actually National Independence Day of Macedonia, my home country, where I was born and lived up until I was 25 years old. So happy Independence Day of Macedonia. That actually happened in 1991 on 8th of September, when Macedonia became independent from Yugoslavia. But the country of Macedonia dates a lot longer than that, all the way to Alexander the Great and before, in the ancient times before Christ. So yeah, take a look at this wonderful nature and this wild nudist beach here in Svärdsö Nature Reserve in Nacka on the Baltic Sea. So this is the more calmer part of the nature reserve, where the water is always steady compared to the other side, the open sea, that I might go later when the sun sets down here. So yes, that's a wrap then from Svärdsö. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.